Interesting facts about snow leopards. They're well adapted to their cold environment. Snow leopards have spotted white grayish fur that keeps them well insulated in cold weather. It can be 5 centimeters long on their back and sides and almost 12 centimeters long on their belly. A snow leopard's tail can reach up to 80 to 105 centimeters long, which is thought to help with balance, as well as wrap around its body for added warmth. The snow leopard's main prey in Nepal, blue sheep, will provide one snow leopard with food for a week. Besides blue sheep, snow leopards feed on the ibex, Himalayan tahr, marmot, pika, hares, small rodents and game birds. Snow leopards live in high-altitude mountainous terrain, usually at elevations of 3,000 to 4,500 meters. They prefer steep, broken landscapes such as cliffs, rocky outcrops and ravines. Snow leopards have short forelimbs and long hind legs, which allow them to traverse and stay agile in their steep and rugged environments. Unlike other big cats, snow leopards can't roar. Snow leopards have a main call described as a piercing yowl that's so loud it can be heard over the roar of a river. Despite being called the snow leopard, this big cat is more closely related to the tiger than the leopard. Their paws act as natural snowshoes. The wide, fur-covered paws of a snow leopard serve as natural snowshoes, helping to distribute its weight over soft snow and protect it from the cold. Snow leopards can travel over an incredible 25 miles in a single night. Snow leopards are really well camouflaged. Their long fur and less distinctive markings that seem to change shape with body movement make identifying individual snow leopards difficult compared to other big cats like tigers, leopards and jaguars, which have more distinctive markings. The snow leopard would do well in most athletic events, its best potentially being the long jump. Some snow leopards have been known to leap up to 9 meters, 6 times their body length. There could be as few as 4,000 leopards in the wild, however the exact number is unknown as they are extremely elusive. The main threats they face are habitat loss and deterioration, human-wildlife conflict, loss of prey, poaching for the illegal trade, and climate change. As a result, snow leopards really need our help. WWF is working alongside communities, governments and other organizations to address some of the threats snow leopards face. Snow leopard sounds include the chuff, growl, hiss, and mew. Like all cats, snow leopards are mammals part of the Felidae, feline, family. They are in the Panthera genus, which also includes jaguars, leopards, lions, and tigers. The other two big cats, cheetahs and pumas, are part of the puma genus. They have wide nasal cavities to heat the air they breathe before it reaches their lungs. Female snow leopards are generally about 2/3 the size of males. They have wide nasal cavities to heat the air they breathe before it reaches their lungs. Snow leopard fur is incredibly thick, up to 5 inches, to better insulate them in the snow. This thick snow leopard coat is colored to match the icy environment. Typically, they have a white-gray coat with black rosettes that provide the ideal camouflage, and their belly is pure white. In the summertime, they migrate upwards in elevation, between 10,000 and 20,000 feet, which puts them far above the tree lines. In the winters, they might move as far down as 4,000 feet. Snow leopards live on only one continent, Asia. But they can be found in 12 countries, including Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Nepal, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. Over 50% of the population is believed to reside in China. Collectively, the snow leopard range covers over 750,000 square miles, which is roughly the size of Alaska and Texas combined. An individual leopard can have a range of nearly 400 square miles. Snow leopards are crepuscular, meaning that they are most active at dawn and dusk. They are opportunistic hunters, willing to adapt to whatever prey is available in abundance. They are the only species of big cat that will do this. These cats can take down animals 3 times their weight. When pressed, they'll go for smaller creatures like rabbits, voles, and marmots. They'll even hunt birds in a pinch. These cats can take down animals 3 times their weight. When pressed, they'll go for smaller creatures like rabbits, voles, and marmots. They'll even hunt birds in a pinch. Snow leopards prefer to stalk their prey from above and chase them down slopes. They have very powerful legs, and are able to leap some 50 feet long and 20 feet high while using their elongated tail for balance. This makes them highly skilled and efficient hunters. Snow leopards average about 1 big kill every week or 2. They are slow eaters, so a successful hunt is likely to last for days. During this time, they are prone to storing their food in snow tunnels. Snow leopards are such solitary creatures, they don't have a collective noun to describe a group of them. Adult males are complete loners, and only socialize during mating season. Females may stay with their cubs for up to 22 months. Mating season is from January to March, and the lead up to snow leopard reproduction can be a drawn-out affair. During this time, both males and females leave scent marks to guide mates into their territory. The courtship ritual includes calls and visual displays to indicate commitment to each other. Ultimately, the couple will even hunt together for a few days while mating occurs. These brief romances are followed by a gestation period of 3 to 4 months. During this time, females will seek out a sheltered rock crevice for safety during the birthing process, as well as the infancy of the snow leopard babies. Mothers may give birth to up to 5 cubs, but the average number of cubs per pregnancy is 2. Newborn snow leopard cubs only weigh about a pound, are very reliant on their mothers for protection and food. Baby snow leopards don't open their eyes for a week, and they don't walk for 5 weeks. They do develop quickly, though. At 2 months they can eat solid food, and by 3 months they're following their mothers around to learn important life skills, like hunting. Mother snow leopards look after their young for about 2 years, after which the siblings will depart, typically staying together for a while longer. By the age of 3, females are ready to have cubs of their own, but males don't reach maturity until they're 4 years old. In the wild, snow leopards have a life expectancy of around 10 years, but it's not atypical for them to live up to 15 years. In captivity, these big cats can last over 20 years.